Hello, magandang araw. This is Teacher Malu and welcome back to Math Habit. So in this video, pag-aaralan natin ang arithmetic sequence, determining arithmetic sequence, finding the common difference, and solving for the next term of the sequence. So enjoy watching and happy learning. Okay, so pag-aralan muna natin yung mga sequences. Okay, ang sequence is a list of numbers typically with a pattern. So dito sa example natin, meron tayong 2, 4, 6, and 8. So ang tawag natin sa mga numbers na nasa sequence ay term. Okay, so may mga pangalan ang term na yan. So ang unang term, which is 2, is dinidenote natin siya sa a sub 1, yung 4 as a sub 2, yung 6 as a sub 3, and then yung 8 as a sub 4. And so on. So, yung nth term o yung last term ay denoted siya as a sub n. Okay, so meron tayong 4 common types ng sequences. We have arithmetic sequences, geometric sequences, harmonic, and then the Fibonacci numbers. But for in this video, magpo-focus muna tayo sa arithmetic sequences. Okay, so ano ba yung arithmetic sequence? Ang arithmetic sequence is defined as a sequence in which there is a common difference between consecutive terms. Masasabi daw natin na ang sequence ay arithmetic kung yung difference o yung difference between consecutive terms are the same. Kapag sinubtract natin yung dalawang magkasunod na number ay pare-parehas. Okay, para mas maintindihan natin, let's have example. Meron tayong sequence dito na 4, 9, 14, 19, and 24. Now, i-determine natin kung arithmetic sequence daw ba siya. So, paano natin gagawin yon? Okay, so ang ating 4 dito is a sub 1, yung 9 is a sub 2, yung 14 is a sub 3, yung 19 is a sub 4, yung 24 is a sub 5. Para makuha yung common difference, isusubtract natin yung sa a sub 1, yung a sub 3, sa a sub 2, a sub 4, sa a sub 3, and so on. Okay, so dito, isusubtract natin yung 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. 14 minus 9 is equal to 5. 19 minus 14 is equal to 5. And 24 minus 19 is equal to 5. Okay, so kung mapapansin natin, yung difference natin o yung sagot sa subtraction natin is common or pare-parehas. Okay, in this sequence, ang ating common difference is 5. Ang common difference natin is denoted as small letter D. Okay, since we have common difference, masasabi natin na ang sequence na to ay arithmetic sequence. Okay, so ganon kung paano natin kukunin yung common difference. At itong common difference na din na to is yung gagamitin din natin, i-add natin dun sa mga sequences para makuha natin yung next term. Okay, for example, sa 4, in-add natin yung 5, kaya nakuha natin yung 9. 9 plus 5, kaya nakuha natin yung 14. 14 plus 5, kaya naging 19. 19 plus 5, kaya naging 24. Okay, so since alam na natin common difference, makukuha na rin natin yung next term ng 24. So, i-add lang natin yung 5. So, 24 plus 5 is 29. 29 plus 5 is 34, and so on. So, ganun kung paano natin yung use ng common difference sa ating sequence. Okay, let's have more example. Okay, examine if the following sequences are arithmetic. If yes, identify the common difference. Okay, meron tayo dito negative 3, negative 1, 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Okay, again, subtract the preceding term. So, negative 1 minus negative 3, we have positive 2. 1 minus negative 1 is positive 2. 3 minus 1 is positive 2. 5 minus 3 is positive 2. 7 minus 5 is positive 2. 9 minus 7 is positive 2. Since common yung kanilang difference, this sequence is arithmetic and their common difference is positive 2. Okay, another example. Meron tayong 15.5, 14, 12.5, 11, 9.5, and 8. So, subtract natin yung 14 minus 15.5 is equal to negative 1.5. 12.5 minus 14 is negative 1.5. 11 minus 12.5 is negative 1.5. 9.5 minus 11 is negative 1.5. 8 minus 9.5 is negative 1.5. Therefore, this sequence is arithmetic and their common difference is negative 1.5. Next, we have 84, 80, 74, 66, 56, and 44. So, 80 minus 84 is equal to negative 4. 74 minus 80 is negative 6. 66 minus 74 is negative 8. So, dun pa lang, dun sa pangalawa pa lang natin na pag-subtract, magkaiba na siya. So, Therefore, this sequence is not arithmetic sequence, okay? Another example, we have negative 8, 6, negative 4, 2, and 0. Let's subtract 6 and negative 8. 6 minus negative 8 is equal to 14. Negative 4 minus positive 6 is equal to negative 10. Okay, so dun pa lang, magkaiba na. So, hindi common yung kanilang difference. Therefore, this sequence is not arithmetic. Okay, last one, we have negative 50, negative 44, negative 38, negative 32, negative 26. So, let's subtract negative 44 and negative 50. So, we have negative 44 minus negative 50 is equal to positive 6. Negative 38 minus negative 44 is equal to positive 6. Negative 32 minus negative 38 is positive 6. Negative 26 minus negative 32 is positive 6. Okay, therefore this sequence is arithmetic and their common difference is positive 6. Okay, so we have an activity number 1 here. It says, determine whether each sequence is arithmetic. If so, write yes. If not, write no sa blank before each number and then find the common difference and write the next term of the sequence. Okay, so in this activity, gagawin ko muna yung una and then I'll give you time para sagutan yung numbers 2 to 8. Okay, so let's start. Yung number 1, we have sequences 18, 58. Okay, so yung number 1, we have terms 18, 58, 98, and 138. So again, ang ating 18 ang A sub 1, A2 is 58, A3 is 98, A4 is 138. To find the common difference, subtract natin sa previous term. So 58 minus 18 is equal to 40, 98 minus 58 is equal to 40, 138 is equal minus 98 is equal to 40. Okay, so since pare-parehas ang kanilang difference, I can say that this sequence is arithmetic and their common difference is 40. So, para makuha natin yung next term, we just have to add the 40 dun sa last term natin sa sequence. So, mayroon tayong 138 plus 40, makukuha natin yung next term, which is equal to 178. Okay. So, I will be giving you time para sagutan yung numbers 2 to 8. Okay, and then continue natin later after nyo magsagot. So, you can pause this video para makapagsagot kayo or may time kayo na magsagot dun sa mga succeeding na problem. Okay, so, I hope nagsagot ang mga estudyante. Okay, so, congratulations sa inyo na mga nagsagot kasi na-test nyo yung knowledge nyo at na-practice nyo yung arithmetic sequence. Okay, so, now let's continue answering the problem. So, let's have number 2. Meron tayong 9, 14, 11, and 28. So, same procedure. Subtract 14 sa 9. 14 minus 9 is equal to 5. 11 minus 14 is equal to negative 3. Okay, so doon pa lang malalaman na natin kung common ba yung difference nila. So, since we have 5 and negative 3, so therefore, hindi na siya common. So, this sequence is not an arithmetic sequence. So, let's write no sa blank before the number. And then, let's proceed to number 3. We have 4, 0, negative 4, and negative 8. So, let's subtract 0 sa 4. 0 minus 4. So, we have negative 4. Negative 4 minus 0 is negative 4. Negative 8 minus negative 4 is negative 4. So, since common ang difference nila, this sequence is arithmetic. And then, ang common difference nila ay negative 4. So, using the common difference, negative 4, sa pag-add sa ating last term sa sequence, which is negative 8. So, negative 8 plus negative 4. Okay, ang ating next term sa sequence is negative 12. Okay, and we have number 4 here. Negative 6, 36, negative 216, and 1,296. Let's subtract 36 minus negative 6 is equal to 42. Negative 216 minus 36 is negative 252. So, dun pa lang, so, pwedeng hindi na natin siya ituloy kasi nakita na natin na magkaiba yung kanilang difference. So, therefore, this sequence is not an arithmetic sequence. So, okay, number 5, we have negative 8, negative 15, negative 22, and negative 29. Okay, let's subtract negative 15 minus negative 8, and that will give us negative 7. Negative 22 minus negative 15, it's negative 7. Negative 29 minus negative 22, it's negative 7. Okay, so since common and difference, this sequence is arithmetic sequence, and their common difference is negative 7. Okay, using common difference negative 7, i-add natin siya sa last term sa ating sequence. So, negative 29 plus negative 7. Okay, ang next term natin is negative 36. Okay, so solving number 6, we have 9, 14, 19, and 24. Okay, subtract 14 minus 9, we have 5. 19 minus 14 is 5. 24 minus 19 is 5. So, since pare-parehas ang difference natin, this sequence is arithmetic sequence and their common difference is positive 5. Using positive 5, i-add natin ito dun sa last term sa sequence, so makukuha natin yung next term. So, 24 plus 5, ang ating next term is 29. Okay, number 7, we have 3, 9, 27, and 81. Okay, let's subtract 9 minus 3, we have 7. 27 minus 9 is 18. Okay, 81 minus 27 is 54. So, magkakaiba ang difference nila. Therefore, this sequence is not an arithmetic sequence. Okay, finally, we have number 8, negative 1.2, negative 1.4, negative 1.6, and negative 1.8. Subtract natin negative 1.4 minus negative 1.2. So, we have negative 0.2. Negative 1.6 minus negative 1.4. We still have negative 0.2. Negative 1.8 minus negative 1.6. Again, ang sagot is negative 0.2. Okay, therefore, this sequence is arithmetic sequence. And its common difference is negative 0.2. So, adding this common difference sa ating last term sa sequence, negative 1.8 plus negative 0.2 is equivalent to negative 2. Okay, so, yun. I hope naintindihan kung paano ang pagkuha ng common difference sa sequence at pag-determine kung arithmetic ba or hindi ang mga sequence na may encounter natin. And then finding the next term using the common difference by adding the common difference to the last term in a sequence. Okay, so ayun, so that's the end of our video for today. So I hope may natutunan sa arithmetic sequence, and kung di pa kayo nagla-like and nagsusubscribe sa ating channel, please do like and subscribe para laging updated sa mga videos na i-upload natin. Okay, so thank you for watching again and see you again next time.